Pause that for a second. Yo, it's your boy Big Drop, and the drop is in. First of all, y'all get tuned in and you get tuned out. We on Schmoke TV.
Schmoke.
Shout out to my nigga, you know what I mean? Chief Green is in the building, you know what I'm saying? We get to the bag, you heard? Salute to the whole West Coast. East Coast, get tuned in, the West Coast, you know what I'm saying? North, South, East, West, you heard? Get to the bag.
Big Drop.
God is the greatest, you heard? I don't care about being famous. And right now, Schmoke TV is the podcast. Ladies, 5.
Schmoke. About to get it in.
Look, you heard? I appreciate you though, you know what I'm saying? But you're doing good. There's no reason to give up. I'm happy that you know what I mean? Do my thing. Yeah, I remember Clay, I already won, son.
I know.
I don't give a fuck what niggas do. Serious. I done made more money niggas ever make in their life, so. Do say this shit, but you don't understand, this about to. The big drop, we spin hot till I'm 70. Nah, one time, I gotta go a certain swag with it. Oh.
When I die, they don't mention.
Vinny got Pelly Pelly. I'm hip hop like M. Shan and Melly Melly. Vintage, my iceberg is Tom and Jerry. Got a Barbie in the Rari, about to hit the telly. And me and mommy go together, peanut butter jelly. I'm hot boy like souffle. Hit the party and did the city the same day. Red carpet, taking off at the runway. Hit the party and did the city the same day. Red carpet, taking off at the. I'm hot boy like souffle. Hit the party and did the city the same day. Red carpet.
Schmoke, man, it's your boy Chief Green, 420, the Chris Smoke superhero, man. We here with Schmoke TV. I'm here with my long time nigga, 5 fucking mics.
You heard?
Straight from New York, man. I'm gonna give him the microphone. I'm gonna let him do his thing. We here on Schmoke TV. We're gonna ask a couple questions. I want to know, when'd you start smoking weed? What kind of weed you like? What's your favorite strain? You know what I'm saying? What's the 1, 2, 3 of the weed scene here in NYC?
All right, dope. Yo, it's your boy Big Drop, and the drop is in. First of all, shout out to my boy. I ain't gonna say his real government name. I'm about to shout him out to my long time. I know this nigga about 20 years.
Yeah.
You heard? It's your boy Big Drop, and we on NYC. I'm so happy my man's to be here, because he brought me some gas, first of all, son. You got fire. But in New York City, there's all types of flavors, but you gotta be careful, because a lot of guys with the ear packs. They run around with the ear packs. They getting rags off the ear packs. You dig what I'm saying? You gotta watch.
Trap City, huh?
But shout out to my boy Cheif Bubs. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you know, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know too much other people to shout out.
Hey, that's all that matters.
Shout out to my nigga Cheif Bubs, man. Yo, we outside. Also, we got the Whoopsie. You know what I'm saying? That's my new strain, Whoopsie. You know what I'm saying? You know, it used to be 5 Biscotti. We got the Whoopsie.
I've had the 5 Biscotti before. Y'all seen that on this. Before we was doing strain reviews, y'all probably seen that back in the day on the store,
legendary, iconic pandemic weed, man.
We did the,
you know
we did the 5 Biscotti, yeah.
It's New York City, though. It's all types of, come on, man. It's all types of brands. Every city, major city, you know, it's the same shit moving.
Right.
But in New York, I'm just saying be on point, because there's a lot of people that don't have good weed. But then you can hit a nigga like Cheif Bubs. You know what I'm saying? And you get right, we hit a nigga like 5 mics. And we get you, you know what I mean? Get you tuned in and get tuned out.
Heard that.
But, here, you got any more questions? I'll just take over your show.
Yeah, we can take over. When did you start smoking weed? How old was you when you first, you know what I'm saying?
When I first started smoking weed, I was 12 years old.
12?
Yeah, and I didn't know what I was doing. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was smoking because when I was in the park.
You was with the homies?
I was with the homies the day before, and I hit some bud. And I was like, yo, smoking weed is whack, yo. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is why they told us not to smoke. I'm not even fucking
Facts.
high. I broke the fucking rules. I'm not high. You know what I'm saying? And then the next day, I came outside with that same shit, and niggas see me hit the blunt. They said, what are you doing? I was like, smoking, nigga. They're like, no, you're not, nigga. You're not inhaling.
And then back in the day, if they blow you out, like, he not healing. Then everybody, like, oh, this nigga's fake smoking. And they came over there and made me really hit the chronic, son. And I started choking. I cried. I was like, yo, this shit burned in my chest. And I got high for the first time. I was like, oh shit, that's getting high. Yeah, I've been getting high ever since.
Sounds pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. What's your all-time favorite strain?
I don't know, son. But I'm gonna go ahead and put cherry gelato on there.
Cherry gelato?
You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? I'm gonna go ahead and put
He in that new school shit.
yeah, 5 biscotti on there.
He in the new school shit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say sour diesel and all that dumb shit.
Ah.
You gotta get somebody else's. You know what I'm saying? I'm the real New York
Shout
City.
out to the sour diesel niggas.
No,
I fuck with
listen,
sour
I'm
diesel,
the real
man.
New York City because at the end of the day, they're gonna say sour diesel, right? That's
Yeah,
the fuck.
yeah,
All right,
yeah.
all right, nigga. I don't give a fuck about no sour, nigga. I'm that nigga in New York that tell y'all niggas with the sour. Fuck out of here, son. I flew to Cali and bought some cherry gelato, nigga. I'm smoking this shit, nigga. I'm tired of that sour.
Candy.
So, of course I smoke sour diesel. Of course I smoke purple haze. But I was definitely one of the first people, nigga. One of the first people to bring bay weed out here when it was going to the Zaza lane and niggas thought I was lacing the weed.
Heard.
You heard?
Yep.
Niggas think I'm 5 doing something to that. No, it's gas.
No. We've been smoking good gas for, like you
Good
said,
gas,
20 years, man.
You know what I mean?
We met motherfucking Atlanta, Georgia.
Nah, and now in the A,
Never had no issues.
niggas had, I ain't gonna front with the time in the A where I used to smoke the best weed of my life.
Bruh,
I go ahead and keep it real. The time in Atlanta, I used to smoke the best weed of my life. You know what I mean?
I'm telling
Well, you know, that's another story, but there was a time.
Yeah, we'll say that for our next visit.
Well, hold on one
to
second, man. I'm
NYC
taking.
or whatever.
He was worried about reviews. I said, yo, I'm the big drop. Nigga, you got 5 niggities on here, man. You heard? And striggity. Flow fidgety.
5?
You know what I'm saying? Hold on. 5? Hold on.
Oh, shit. My nigga, man.
Hold on, let me say something.
Oh,
Yo, you owe me, too, by the way, for this interview, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll talk to you about that later, man. And by the way, there's some gas, man. You know what I'm saying? He hit me up. We're going to talk about this later, man. Because the ratings might go up. And then you're going to start this podcast.
Right.
You take on. I need my percentage.
Oh, man. You know what I mean, man?
Get tuned in and get tuned out. You know what I'm saying? Day one. I need my percentage. You see I said it on camera. All right, Bart.
Hey, man. Niggas know. Cheif
Cheif
one of the
Green.
realest, boy. You know what I'm saying? I keep it 100, man. We gonna show love the Brooklyn way, you know what I'm saying? West Coast, LA, A-Town, you know what I'm saying? It's the ganja thing, you know what I'm saying? So you already know, man. I'm gonna bust my boy down as soon as we blow up. You already know what it is. Hey, man, so it's Cheif Green, Schmoke TV. Where we at? Tell them where we at, G.
Right now, we in Queens, nigga, and we blew up already, man. This thing we already popping. You know what I'm saying?
Queens?
Y'all gotta get tuned in. Yeah, we in Queens, man. We in the legendary.
This nigga just dropped a verse,
We in the
too, man.
legendary
So shit.
studio with Vinny Idol. You know what I'm saying? One of the greatest producers ever. I just did a feature with Jadakiss, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm
Got
saying?
a project coming out?
Yeah, we got albums coming out. You know, most of the people know. You know what I'm saying? What's going on?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Most
Y'all
people
know who the fuck
and,
5 is.
And if
I
you
ain't
don't
gonna
know, just get tuned in. You get on your Googles and Schmoogles and, you know, tap in. But at the end of the day, we got the new joint with Jadakiss. That's on the way. I just cooked it up just now. Shout out to Self-Service, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Club Babies. And, I could go on and on and on. I'm getting money out here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want them to think I'm bragging. You know what I'm saying? But I can run it all down, man. You know what I mean? But I just came here to support my man, Schmoke TV.
We appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is one of them BET late night interviews. You know how they used to do BET Uncut? You know, you used to be in the club late night in BET somewhere? That's why I feel like it's one of them cable
trying to
access
bring them
joints,
vibes
man.
back.
So you gonna put some editing on this joint?
Yeah. We got wavy on this motherfucker.
All right, put me a filter on here, son. Some swag or something, you heard?
Yeah.
All right, son. Say no more. I'm out of here, son.
Love, bro.
Love and
Appreciate
respect.
you.
No, thank
Schmoke, nigga.
you. Smoke!